So I have a question for you. Do you know exactly what your customers' pain points are and how your product is solving them? That's what we're going to cover in today's video, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Elle McCann, owner of Curious Themes Web Development Studio in Nashville, Tennessee, and we've been Shopify experts for over 6 years now. So a huge thing that I see, especially in the e-commerce space, is everyone's just listing their products for sale and their product description reads just kind of as a spec list. And it's not really actually talking a lot more to the individual customer and why they want to buy that product. It is so key to make sure that you're talking to your ideal customer specifically in both your website copy, product description, and your advertising copy as well. So I saw this analogy a bit ago, and I absolutely love it. So it's the thought of no one wakes up in the morning going, you know what? I really want to go to marriage counseling today. That's typically not a response that you would hear people say. However, so many people go to marriage counseling because they have a pain point, because there's something that is wrong in their marriage or they're having a problem, and they're going to marriage counseling to find that solution because their end goal is to save their marriage and make their marriage better and to better their communication skills. So again, no one's going, okay, I really want this option of marriage counseling, but they're wanting it indirectly because of the solution that it provides. The same can be true for e-commerce products as well. So for example, if you sell apparel on your site, while someone may just want to buy a new top, they also may be looking for, a specific top or dress or something like that to build confidence in themselves. Or maybe they're going to a specific event and they're looking for a certain style that's going to really give them that confidence and make them feel good when they're at this event. So you want to think about exactly how your customer is going to be looking for your product and why they're going to specifically purchase it. If you can add that in the description instead of just describing the product, then you're going to really reach that feeling inside of themselves and make them more likely to purchase. Another example would be phone cases. So while you may have a really nicely designed phone case that they like the style of, maybe their pain point is that they've dropped their phone before or shattered their screen. And so they're looking for a phone case that gives them a certain level of protection so that they know whenever they bring their phone out, especially out in public or walking or anything like that, where there's a little bit higher risk to drop it, that they are more protected because you have some kind of protection that it can safeguard the phone from a certain feet of drop distance to the ground. So again, they are still looking at the style of the phone case. However, it may be the protection that the phone case provides. It's why they're wanting to buy the case in the first place. So I really encourage you to really go through and think about why someone would be actually purchasing this product. Not just, of course, the styling, but what pain points are you solving? What problem does the customer have? And how is your product the solution? Once you figure that out, figure out a way to add in that kind of wording throughout your product descriptions, your ad copy, and your website overall. And then you're going to be a lot more likely to build a tribe of raving fans who love your product and are ready to buy from you. So I would love to hear from you below in the comments. So let us know what industry you're in or what kind of products you have and how you are solving a pain point or a problem for your customer. We would love to learn more about you, so make sure to comment below. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. We post new videos all about Shopify every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you'll be the first to be notified when we put those new videos out. We also have a recent video over here that you may like, and we would love for you to check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you have a great day.